Hello students. So in the last class what we studied? It is addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of the matrices. Now very interesting part of this matrices is multiplication of the matrices. So in addition what you observe, when the two matrices have the same order, just we are adding the corresponding elements and it is very simple. Similarly, if they have the same order, we are going for corresponding element subtraction. But multiplication of matrices is little bit different, but it is very interesting. So before any definition, just I will explain with the help of example. Then only you can understand the definition very easily. This is the example. See, in addition we are observing the order. If they have the same order, just we are adding the element. Similarly, here also we have to observe the order. That is very important in multiplication. It is totally depending on the order. See, on the side I am writing A and B. See, what is the order of A? First row, second row, 2 row. And we have 3 columns, and in B we have 3 row, 2 columns. So on the side, to explain you, I am just giving here matrix A has the order 2 by 3 and matrix B has the order 3 by 2. When you are writing these two matrices adjacent side by side, observe that if this is the order and this is the order, this last number and this first number will be equal. That means number of columns in the first matrix. Listen it carefully. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Is what I told. The number of columns in the first matrix equal to the number of row in the second matrix. If they are equal, then only you can multiply these two. And the resulting matrix is AB. It has an order 2 by 2. Is it clear? See, once again I am explaining. When you are going for a multiplication of matrices, just observe the order. On the side, write down matrix A and B. What is a matrix A has order 2 by 3 and matrix B has order 3 by 2. After writing this, these two numbers will be equal. If these two numbers will be equal, it gets just closes and the resulting matrix AB will be of order 2 by 2. Is it clear? In every example like this I will go on explaining the basics. So now I am writing matrix A. In the solution, matrix A, B I am writing here. First write down matrix A. 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4. Then write down matrix B. 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4. So after writing this, we are familiar with order. Already we are familiar with order. So please take down the pen and paper. Just go on writing whatever I am explaining step by step. After writing this, I am explaining slowly. It is first row. The first row elements are multiplied with first column. See it carefully. First row elements are multiplied with first column. Once again, first row elements are multiplied with first column elements. That too in corresponding way. See, corresponding way means first element into first element. 1 into 2. After every multiplication, we have to write plus. Then second element into second element. Middle plus. third element into third element. Is it clear? So how you are multiplying them? First row elements are multiplied with first column elements, that too in corresponding way. First element into first element, after multiplication middle plus second element into second, then third into third. Then this completes, leave some place middle. After that first row with second column. Listen it carefully. First row with second column. Again corresponding elements. 1 into 7 plus second element into second element minus 1 into 1. Third element into third element. So this completes first row. So what we did then? First row with first column, corresponding elements we multiplied and we wrote here. Then first row with second column, that also we multiplied term by term, elements by elements, then we wrote. Then move to the next one. Second row with first column. What it is? Second row with first column, corresponding elements. First element into first element, 0 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 5. Understood? Second row with first column. After that, second row with second column, corresponding elements, 0 into 7 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 4. See the students? So once again I am repeating that A, B. Write down matrix A and matrix B. After that, see in the matrix first one, first row with second matrix first column, that is first row with first column, corresponding elements. Then first row with second column, that are also corresponding element multiplication. Second row with first column, then second row with second column. Simplify this. Is 2 plus 1 plus 10. Then 7 minus 1 plus into minus is minus 1 minus 8. Multiply the elements. 0 minus 3 plus 20. Then 0 plus 3 minus 16. After multiplication, according to the sign, if it is a plus, go for addition or subtraction. 2 plus 1 plus 10. 13. 7 minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 20, that is 17. Then 3 minus 16, that will be minus 13. See the order? They have 2 rows and 2 columns. Is it clear? So don't make the confusion. Here in the multiplication, first we have to see the order of the matrices, and sometimes the multiplication is not possible because of orders. So that's why first we have to check whether the multiplication is possible or what. Once again here I am explaining AB. We have to write matrix A, matrix B. First row with first column, that I wrote here. Then first row with second column, I wrote here. Then second row with first column, this is the value. Then second row with second column, here just multiply and simplify that. So after simplification you will get the answer. So then I told 2 questions, one is AB, another one is BA. So I am multiplying BA. Here first we have to write matrix B. Then write down matrix A. So on the side, check whether the multiplication is possible or what. BA, matrix B has the order 3 by 2 and matrix A has the order 2 by 3. here number of columns is equal to number of row. Close this. What is remaining? These 3 and these 3. Then what will be the order of BA? It will be 3 by 3. That means the multiplication is possible. Now I am explaining that how to multiply. First write down matrix B and matrix A. After writing, go for multiplication. This is the first row. First row with first column. First we have to take always first row. First row with first column. First row with second column. First row with third column. First we will go for this. First row with first column, that to corresponding elements. 2 into 1. Middle plus. As I told you, after every multiplication, middle plus. Second element into second element. Then leave some place here. After that, first row with second column. Then plus second element into second element. Again, leave some place middle. After that, first row with third column. Corresponding elements. 2 into 2. 7 into 4. Yes. Is it following? Then second row with first column. Corresponding elements. Second element is 1 into 0. This completes the second row with first column. Then second row with second column. Corresponding elements. Then second row with third column. This completes another step. Then third row with first column. Then similarly second elements. Third row with second column. Corresponding elements. Third row with third column. And remember one thing, after multiplication of each row with column, in between them middle we have to leave some place. After that, go for multiplication. Just simplify, multiply them and write down. Here minus 2 plus 21, 4 plus 28, then minus 1 plus 0. It is 1 plus 3, minus 2 plus 4, then 5 minus 0, minus 5 minus 12, then 10 minus 16. After multiplication, just simply addition of this, then simplify. 2, 19, 32, minus 1, 4, 2, 5, minus 17, minus 16. See students, what is the order? The order is 3 by 3. First only I told you, you will get the answer of order 3 by 3. Because BA we are writing, B is of order 3 by 2 and A is of order 2 by 3. This will eliminate, we will get 3 by 3 matrix. We got answer 3 by 3. See students, now is it clear or what? That means in a multiplication, when you are multiplying two matrices, now the definition will be very clear. If A and B are two matrices, A has order M by N and B has the order N by P. Take anything, N by P. But here of number of columns will be equal to number of row. Then the multiplication of AB. Multiplication of AB exists its order is M by P. Is it clear? So that means what you understood, when you are multiplying two matrices, you have to see that the number of columns in the first row is equal to the number of row in the second matrix. Then only you can multiply two matrices. See, can we move to the next example? So if you are thorough in the example, then only you can able to solve matrix multiplication. Find AB and BA if exist. So first we have to check whether multiplication is possible or what. AB. What is the matrix of order? The order of matrix A. This is of order 2 by 2. What is the order of matrix B? This is of order 2 by 3. I am writing here. This is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 3. See, the number of columns in first matrix will be equal to number of row in second matrix. Now they are equal. So we can multiply AB and its order is 2 by 3. So first we will complete that one. For that you have to rewrite the matrices like this. After that we are multiplying. So how you are multiplying? First row with first column. 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. First row with first column. Then first row with second column. There we have to multiply the corresponding elements. Then first row with third column. So is it following? Then second row with first column corresponding elements. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Next second row with second column in that corresponding elements. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Then second row with third column corresponding elements. Now simplify this. This is 12 plus 9 into 7, 63. Then 6 into 6, 36 plus 9 into 9, 81. Then 0 plus 9 into 8, 72. Then next 4 plus 21. 2 into 2, 7 into 3. Then 2 into 6 plus 27 is 0 plus 24. Simplify this. Add the terms. Then 72. This is 25. Then 39. Then it is 24. See the order? The order will be 2 by 3. See here, you got 2 by 3 or what? The next one is BA. For that, before multiplying, I will check whether the multiplication is possible or what. BA. B is of order 2 by 3. A is of order 2 by 2. See these numbers. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means the number of columns in the first matrix is not equal to number of row in the second matrix. So that means the multiplication is not possible. Does not exist. Please students, is it clear? So I hope you will practice these examples in the next class. I will give some more examples on the multiplication. Multiplication of matrices requires the practice. If you do the practice, then only you are perfect in this multiplication of matrices.